Some of these car gadgets actually feel like they came from the future. From tiny upgrades that make your daily drive easier, to smart tech that can track your car, boost safety, transform your dashboard, and even turn your rearview mirror into a massive 4K display. We found 20 car gadgets you'll seriously want to see. And trust me, the final few are next level. Welcome back to Tech Station. Stay until the end, because number 1 might be the ultimate car upgrade. If you love discovering smart gadgets like these, hit subscribe. And if you want any of them, the buy links are waiting in the description. Let's start the countdown. Still rocking those boring valve caps on your car? These tiny upgrades can completely change the look of your wheels. The DECURCAR American flag valve stem caps add a clean, rugged touch while helping protect your valve stems from corrosion and leaks. Just twist them on by hand and you're done. But here's the unexpected part. They're not just about looks. The built-in sealing ring helps create a tighter seal, while the durable aluminum construction is made to handle everyday weather and wear. And you get 5 caps, so you have an extra ready to go. It's a small detail, but it makes your vehicle feel more finished. If you want an easy, affordable wheel upgrade, start here. Ever changed lanes and suddenly realized a car was hiding right beside you? That blind spot can turn a normal lane change into a dangerous moment. These compact convex blind spot mirrors give you a much wider view of what's happening beside your car, helping you spot vehicles that your regular mirrors can miss. Just stick them onto your existing side mirrors and adjust the angle to your perfect viewing position. But here's what makes it different. The 360-degree adjustable mount lets you fine-tune the mirror instead of being stuck with one fixed angle. They're slim, frameless, and barely take up any space. For cars, SUVs, vans, or trucks, it's a tiny upgrade that gives you more confidence every time you change lanes. Is your car slowly turning into a trash drawer? Wrappers, tissues, receipts, somehow they end up everywhere. And cleaning it out every few days gets old fast. This Vancore car trash can gives all that clutter one place to go. Hang it from the headrest, gear shift, or wherever works best, and keep your interior looking clean. But here's where it gets crazy. It's not just a trash can. The leak-proof lining helps contain spills, while 3 outer pockets hold wipes, snacks, tissues, and other essentials. When you don't need it, just fold it flat. Less mess, less digging around, a cleaner, more comfortable ride. If you spend a lot of time in your car, this little upgrade is a no-brainer. Does your trunk turn into a mess every time you go shopping? Groceries rolling around, tools buried underneath bags, and somehow you can never find what you need? The HOTOR trunk organizer fixes that in seconds. With 2 large compartments and 6 mesh pockets, everything gets its own place. So you can actually see and grab what you need, but check this out, you can fold it halfway or completely flat when you don't need all that space. It's made with sturdy Oxford cloth and can handle up to 60 pounds, so it's built for real everyday use. No more digging through a messy trunk. Just organized, accessible storage whenever you need it. This is one small car upgrade that makes every trip feel easier. If your car ever goes underwater, flips, or catches fire, could you actually get out? In an emergency, seconds matter, and a normal object might not be enough. This Amazon Basics escape tool gives you 2 critical options in one compact device: a window breaker and a seatbelt cutter. But here's what makes it different. The double-head hammer is built for quickly breaking vehicle side windows, while the sharp cutter helps free you from a stuck seatbelt. It comes in bright orange, so it's easier to find when you're panicking, and the included bracket keeps it within reach. Keep one in the front and one for another passenger. You'll hopefully never need it, but if you do, having it nearby could make all the difference. Ever wish your car could double as a tiny office or dining table? Trying to eat, work, or read in your car usually means balancing everything on your lap. Not exactly comfortable. This EcoNour steering wheel tray changes that. Attach it to your steering wheel, and you instantly get a stable surface for your laptop, meals, or paperwork. But the best part, flip it over, and you get a different setup with a built-in cup holder and pen holder for everyday convenience. It's lightweight, slim, and easy to store under your seat when you're done. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or waiting between stops, it turns wasted space into useful workspace. One simple tray, work, eat, and stay organized wherever you park. Ever tried working or eating in your car and ended up balancing everything on your lap? It's uncomfortable, messy, and one sharp turn can send your stuff everywhere. This car desk turns your cup holder into a surprisingly useful workspace in seconds. Just install it without tools, place your laptop or tablet on top, and you've got a stable surface right where you need it. But this changes everything. The tabletop rotates 360 degrees, so you can position it exactly where you want without getting in the way. It's also strong enough for drinks, meals, or your laptop, while folding down for easy storage. Suddenly, your car becomes a mini office, dining space, or road trip workstation. If you spend a lot of time in your vehicle, this is one upgrade you'll wonder how you lived without. Does your car's AC feel useless on those brutally hot days? You crank it up, but the cold air still takes forever to reach you. This tiny DECURCAR vent fan helps push that cool air exactly where you need it, making your cabin feel comfortable faster. Just clip it onto your vent, plug it into USB, and choose from 3 speeds. But the coolest thing, the fan rotates a full 360 degrees, so you can aim the airflow exactly where you want it. It's also surprisingly quiet, with soft rainbow lighting for a little extra style. No bulky cooler, no complicated setup, just targeted airflow whenever you need it. For hot summer drives, this tiny fan is a seriously useful upgrade. What if one of your tires starts losing pressure while you're driving? You might not notice until it becomes a real problem. The Tymate TM7 lets you monitor all 4 tires in real time, showing pressure and temperature right on a clear color screen. Just install the sensors, plug in the monitor, and you're ready to go. But here's the crazy part. It doesn't just warn you when pressure gets too high or low. It can alert you to fast leaks, rising temperatures, low sensor batteries, and even lost signals. That means fewer surprises on long road trips, towing days, or everyday driving. And the monitor even gives you 2 USB charging ports. It's a simple safety upgrade that keeps you informed before a tire problem becomes a roadside headache. Still looking down at your dashboard just to check your speed? This puts the information right where you naturally look. The SinoTrack 5.5-inch GPS display shows your speed, direction, driving time, mileage, and more in one easy-to-read screen. Just plug it in and place it on your dashboard. But nobody talks about this feature. It can actually alert you when you exceed your chosen speed or when you've been driving for over 4 hours, reminding you to take a break. The screen also automatically adjusts its brightness, so it stays visible day or night. No complicated installation, no digging through menus, just glance. Get the information you need, and keep your attention on the road. It's a simple upgrade that makes everyday driving feel smarter and more controlled. Tired of constantly looking down just to check your speed? That tiny glance can be a bigger distraction than you think. The wiiyii P6 puts your speed right in front of you so you can keep your eyes closer to the road. Just plug it into your car's OBD2 port. Position the display and you're ready to go. It can show speed, vehicle data, and even help read fault codes without digging through complicated menus. But here's where it gets interesting. The display can automatically change from blue to red when you're speeding, instantly grabbing your attention. No more guessing your speed. No more unnecessary glances down. It's a simple upgrade that makes everyday driving feel safer, smarter, and more convenient. Got a low tire and no gas station anywhere nearby? That's exactly when you wish you had this. The Airmoto is a compact cordless tire inflator that fits right in your glove box, ready whenever you need it. Set your desired pressure, connect it, press start, and it automatically stops when the tire reaches the number you selected. But this little detail makes all the difference. You can use it for cars, motorcycles, bikes, and even sports balls with the included adapters. It also has a built-in flashlight for those annoying nighttime emergencies. No searching for an air pump, no guessing the pressure. Just grab it, inflate, and get back on the road. It's one of those small tools you'll be glad you had when you need it most. Getting into a hot car feels like sitting on an oven. And even with the AC blasting, your seat is still trapping heat against your back and legs. The Coverado cooling car seat cushion tackles that problem with built-in dual fans that circulate air through the seat and backrest. Just strap it on, plug it into your 12V or 24V socket, and choose from 3 cooling speeds. But the real magic is the airflow is directed right where you actually feel the heat, helping keep your back, thighs, and seat cooler while you drive. It installs in about a minute, stays securely in place, and works in cars, SUVs, trucks, and vans. For brutal summer drives, this turns your seat from sweaty and uncomfortable into a much cooler place to sit. Ever been stuck with a dead car battery at the worst possible time? No help nearby, no jumper cables, and your car won't even start. The NOCO Boost GB40 gives you a powerful backup you can keep right in your glove box. Just connect it, and it can jump-start dead 12-volt batteries in seconds. But here's the game changer. It's designed to prevent sparks and wrong connections, so you don't have to be a battery expert. It can also charge your phone, and the built-in flashlight has 7 modes for nighttime emergencies. It's compact, rugged, and ready whenever your car isn't. One small device could turn a stressful roadside breakdown into a quick fix. Ever wish you could know exactly where your vehicle has been? This tiny GPS tracker gives you a whole new level of visibility. Just plug it into your car's OBD2 port, and you can see real-time location, trip routes, speed, hard braking, and more. It's great for families, commuters, or managing multiple vehicles. But here's the unexpected part. It can even monitor vehicle diagnostic data and alert you to potential problems before they become bigger headaches. You can also set up geofences and get alerts when a vehicle enters or leaves an area. Instead of wondering where your vehicle is or how it's being driven, you have the information right at your fingertips. For about $9.65 a month, it's serious peace of mind. Does your car interior feel a little boring? You don't need a new car to make it feel completely different. These Govee smart LED lights can transform your interior with millions of colors, all controlled right from your phone. Pick your favorite color, adjust the brightness, or create your own custom lighting style. But the coolest thing, the built-in music mode makes the lights react to your music, so the colors move and change with the beat. Installation is simple, with a clean 2-line design that keeps the wiring looking tidy. Suddenly, your ordinary commute feels more like a night drive experience, whether you're cruising at night or heading out on a road trip. This is an easy upgrade that completely changes the vibe inside your car. Still plugging your iPhone in every time you get in the car? There's a much easier way. This tiny wireless CarPlay adapter turns your existing wired Apple CarPlay into a wireless connection in seconds. Just plug it in, and your iPhone stays in your pocket while you use navigation, music, calls, and Siri, right from your car's screen. No more cables across the console, no more plugging and unplugging every single drive. But this is where it gets interesting. Once it's set up, it can reconnect automatically whenever you start the car. It's tiny, sleek, and takes almost no space. If your car already has wired CarPlay, this simple little upgrade can make every drive feel so much more convenient. Still letting your phone slide around the dashboard while you're trying to follow GPS? That's not only annoying, it can make driving more distracting. This magnetic car mount keeps your phone right where you need it, with a quick one-hand snap-on design for MagSafe iPhones. No bulky cradle, no struggling to fit your phone, just place it on the mount and go. But here's where it gets crazy. It uses 20 strong magnets to keep your phone securely in place through bumps, sharp turns, and sudden stops. The 360-degree rotation also lets you set the perfect viewing angle for navigation or hands-free calls. Small, clean, and barely noticeable, it turns your dashboard into a much smarter setup. If you use your phone for driving, this is a simple upgrade you'll appreciate every single day. What if the accident happens behind you and you have zero proof? You're driving normally, someone cuts you off, and suddenly it's your word against theirs. That's where the ROVE R2 4K Dual comes in, recording both front and rear at the same time, with sharp footage day or night. But here's the unexpected part. You can instantly send recordings straight to your phone using built-in Wi-Fi without pulling out the memory card. GPS also records your speed and location, giving you extra evidence when it matters. And with parking mode, it can even capture incidents while your car is parked. It's more than a dash cam. It's peace of mind every time you drive. Still struggling with blind spots when you drive or reverse? One small area you can't see could become a huge problem. The WOLFBOX G840S replaces your regular mirror with a massive 12-inch smart display, giving you a much wider view behind the car. The front records in sharp 4K, while the rear camera helps you see what's actually happening behind you. But wait till you see this. You can switch between views, use split screen, and even check recordings right from your phone over Wi-Fi. GPS tracks your route too. And when your car is parked, its 24-hour parking monitor can watch for incidents. It's not just a mirror, it's like adding an extra set of eyes to your car. And that's the countdown. From smart safety upgrades to futuristic gadgets like the WOLFBOX 4K mirror dash cam, there's something here for almost every driver. You'll find all the product links in the description. This is Tech Station. Subscribe for more smart gadgets, car tech, and useful upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.